Welcome back to our final video about similar triangles. Today, we are finishing up by looking at parallel lines and proportional parts. So if three or more lines or parallel lines intersect two transversal lines, then they cut off the transversals proportionally, okay? Which means if line AB, okay, is parallel to line CD, which is parallel to line EF, then AC over CE is equal to BD over DF. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of practice with this. Again, I apologize, the instructional part is incorrect for below, and we are just finding the value of x. All right. So number one, I am given x, 27, 18, and 32 for my entire distance between my top line and my bottom, which means that missing space right here is going to be 32 minus 18, which is going to give me 14. So that space value is 14. So because above I had AC, so this segment here, over CE space is equal to BD over DE. That's how I'm gonna, or DF, sorry, set up my proportions. So I have x over 27 is equal to 14 over 18. Just like before, I'm still cross multiplying, okay? So I have 27 times 14, which is 378, is equal to 18x. Divide both sides by 18. X is equal to 21. All right. Number two. I have two x values on both sides of my proportions, which means at some point, I'm going to have to get x to one side of my equation. So my proportions, I have 2x plus 1 over 21. Plus 2 over 21 is equal to x plus 3 over 12. I'm going to go ahead again, cross multiply my equations. I get 12 times 2x plus 2 is equal to 21 times x plus 3. I need to go ahead and distribute on both equations to get 24x plus 24 is equal to 21x, okay, plus 21 times 3 is 63. So from here, I need to go ahead and get x to one side. I'm going to subtract 21x from both sides, so I don't have a negative x, and then subtract 24. So I'm going to move up here, bring my equation here, and I have 3x is equal to 63 minus 24, which is 39. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is equal to 13 for my final answer. Okay. Please make note of any questions that you have about parallel lines and proportional parts. Okay, and have a great afternoon.